Hey, outdoor adventurers! Today, we're cutting through the brush with the best machetes of 2024. These top picks offer durability, precision, and reliability for your camping, hiking, and survival needs. Let's explore the best machetes to tackle any wilderness challenge. Fiskars 37500 1002. First, meet the Fiskars Machete Saw 18-inch, a revolutionary dual-function tool that combines an ultra-sharp machete blade with an aggressive saw blade to tackle a variety of outdoor jobs. Designed for adaptability and efficiency, the machete blade quickly rips through underbrush and small trees, outperforming wimpy stamped steel blades. On the other hand, the large-toothed saw blade cuts through wood quickly and precisely, making it excellent for removing heavier trees and branches. The lightweight design of the Fiskars Machete Saw boosts swing speed, allowing you to clear brush faster and more efficiently. The soft grip handle, with a big hilt, provides a good grip and pleasant usage, decreasing fatigue over long hours of labor. And its lanyard that attaches the machete to your wrist provides additional control and safety. Whether you're clearing a path, maintaining your yard, or going on an outdoor adventure, the Fiskars Machete Saw 18-inch is your trusted partner for exceptional cutting and sawing capabilities. Gerber Gator. Next, we have the Gerber Gear Gator Machete, a 25er dual-purpose gardening machete knife for chopping and sawing. This high-quality tool has an 18-0 plain-edge steel blade on one side for rapid chopping and a full-performance saw blade on the opposite side for various cutting applications. The blade, made of high-carbon stainless steel, is both sturdy and corrosion-resistant, assuring its longevity. And this Gator Grip rubberized handle offers a textured, pleasant, and solid grip, allowing you to manage the machete in both wet and dry circumstances. This revolutionary design increases your confidence and steadiness when using the equipment. The supplied nylon sheath provides for secure carrying and storage, ensuring your machete is always safe and ready for use as well. Overall, the Gerber Gear Gator Machete is an excellent survival tool for clearing underbrush, pioneering, and a range of outdoor jobs. Kershaw Camp 10. The Kershaw Camp 10 machete knife is another excellent weapon for a range of outdoor and survival chores, including clearing bush and building kindling. The recurve fixed plain edge blade, made of robust 65 Mian carbon tool steel, assures toughness and wear resistance, while the black powder coat offers protection and makes maintenance easy. The knife has a full tang design and a glass-filled nylon handle with a sure grip overmold and a built-in handguard for a secure and comfortable grip, and its handle's gray and black design has holes in the front and back for lanyard connection, adding to its flexibility. The supplied glass-filled nylon sheath, which has gear straps and a belt loop for secure carrying while not in use, ensures maximum safety. So whether you're chopping firewood, making meals, or doing other camping duties, this Kershaw Camp 10 machete knife is a must-have tool for any outdoor lover. Gerber Versafix 31003473. Moving on, we have the Gerber Versafix, a multifunctional hybrid machete knife designed for quick cutting, chopping, and splitting. Its weight-forward design decreases the effort necessary to do these chores, making it a great choice for outdoor lovers. The innovative high-durometer overmold handle provides unrivaled comfort while considerably reducing hand fatigue during extended usage. This hybrid machete also has a 9-inch cutting edge that is both durable and sharp, making it ideal for a variety of outdoor activities. The total length of 14.3 inches makes it suitable for accurate control and powerful strokes. This Versafix comes with a standard nylon sheath for safe belt carry, keeping your tool within reach at all times. So, in all, we can conclude that, with the Gerber Versafix, you'll confidently tackle brush clearing, wood splitting, and other campsite tasks. Its innovative design and sturdy construction make it an indispensable companion for any adventure. Condor Duku. Next, we dive into the Condor Tool and Knife Duku Machete, a robust tool that excels in rugged outdoor tasks with its 1075 high-carbon steel blade and convex grind edge, ensuring superior hardness and edge retention. Perfect for cutting trees, clearing dense vegetation, or maintaining brush paths, this heavy-duty machete is built for tough jobs. The beautifully crafted walnut handle offers both aesthetics and ergonomic comfort, providing a secure grip and enhancing ease of use for extended periods. Complementing its functionality is the handcrafted welted leather sheath, designed with meticulous attention to detail for safe and convenient carrying. The sheath protects the sharp blade from accidental exposure, ensuring both safety and durability. And this machete's natural finish highlights its raw, unaltered appearance, making it a unique and prized piece for outdoor enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its versatile design, suitable for various tasks such as gardening, camping, and survival situations, highlights its adaptability and reliability. Woodmans Pal 284. Finally, we have the Woodmans Pal 284, a revolutionary multi-use axe machete that sets a new benchmark for survival equipment. This multifunctional machete combines the functions of a shovel, brush axe, and knife, making it suitable for a variety of activities such as camping, fishing, hunting, bushcraft, land management, and surveys. The Woodmans Pal, which has been used by the U.S. Army since World War II, has been improved to make it even easier to use in a variety of scenarios. One of the machete's most notable qualities is its excellent polish. The blade is each manually honed to ensure that it slices through anything with ease. The handle's design promotes comfort, with an ergonomic grip that decreases fatigue even after lengthy usage. The longer handle provides for several grips, increasing control and lowering the chance of slippage, making it a dependable tool in any scenario. The Woodmans Pal is made of the highest grade high-carbon steel and is heat-treated at temperatures of up to 1500 degrees to provide maximum hardness and strength. And this treatment also offers excellent corrosion resistance, guaranteeing that your machete lasts a lifetime. With its high-quality materials and precise craftsmanship, the Woodmans Pal 284 is more than simply a tool. It's a treasure that will last generations. And with that, we come to an end. We hope you found a great pair that fit your demands and price range. All of these product links are included in the description below. Check it out to get the greatest deals on Amazon. Until then, bye. We'll see you in the next.